What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Gatorland Orlando for a special event called Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go!
You're just going to basically support his weight right underneath his armpits and then pinch the tail so he doesn't fall. There you go. Awesome.
We put some great things out here in the park. We have very detailed disinfection and cleaning processes that we've been doing since we opened the park back in May. Constantly cleaning high-touch areas, mandatory face mask policies. If you need a face mask, we have really cool ones like this for sale in the gift shop. Just saying. And hand washing stations, hand sanitizers throughout the parks. So it's a very safe way for parents to bring their kids out. We'll be giving out prepackaged candy to the kids so they can do some trick-or-treating at some of the zones that you'll see around the park. It's going to be a great family event.
All right, so we're starting out with feeding the gators. Love doing this.
Hi. Hold it up.
So what do we have to do with these?
Just fish.
Yeah, hang it up below them and they'll jump up out of the water and grab it. And you want another one, once you do that one and you're trying to get the hang of it, come on back and get another one. Just so you guys know, we thoroughly disinfect these fishing poles after every person. You got a nice clean fishing pole. Go
Awesome.
get you one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Gone fishing.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I want to do it again.
Did I want it?
Welcome to Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins! There was supposed to be lightning. I don't know what happened. Sorry, it's supposed to be like big lightning crash and whatnot. This is Gatorland's family-friendly Halloween event that we're doing here at Gatorland. Now, before we begin, listen up. There's strict social distancing happening, so you can get close enough. You get hit by that, then you're too close. Got it? My other social distancing methods are bad hygiene and a terrible personality, so that helps too. So, we have all kinds of characters here on hand, like Swamp Ghost. That's a leucistic alligator. He comes to us from the Louisiana Bayou. And the Grim Reaper, who's also moonlighting as an Uber driver. Times are tough. It's called Uber Under. Yeah, you're calling for a lift, but you're really getting lowered. That kind of thing. Yeah. So, you want to meet some of the other characters? You can follow me this way. She's seen Hamilton 3 times. I'm not talking about the Broadway musical. I mean the actual Alexander Hamilton. She's that old.
Oh, she
Yeah, looks like she's having a bad day.
Yeah, she died in the last few minutes.
Yeah. Right in here, you can meet them.
Mother of God! Let you look a bunch, aren't they?
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Gatorland's most eligible bachelorette. You can find her on disharmony.com. But be careful, because when she swipes left, she's using an axe.
All right, so time to get on the train.
I eat everything.
So you can see on here different mysteries that are around. Chupacabras, things like that.
Keep your mask up while you're on the ride. We're going to get started here right now. 1956. So that's what he did. That's what's stuck ever since.
Like creature with large leathery wings, long hands, woven hooves, and is said to have a wingspan of 4 to 6 feet, and is known to spin massive webs between trees. Workers, has been studied by folklorists and crypto-zoologists.
Left here as soon as the train comes to a complete stop. And don't forget, when you do hop off, watch your head. Those roofs are low.
There's a giant gator right here next to us.
So, what we're gonna do is we just fed all the big alligators right here. That's why they're all together. They had a great hearty chicken breakfast this morning. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let you guys throw these pumpkins in here. Some alligators do like the taste of pumpkin, and some alligators do not like the taste of pumpkin. But what's really important to us is they get to exercise those jaw muscles, because we want them to be able to bite anything that falls in here.
I'm feeling it.
Everything you guys do for us.
That's my friend. Thank you so much.
Got it.
Okay, guys. My favorite time of year. Yeah. We do it in the spring with watermelon. They like watermelon.
And in October, here at Gatorland, there's all kinds of spooky animals.
And we can see here, event merchandise. T-shirts right there. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Gatorland Orlando for Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins. Gotta say, it was actually a pretty neat event. Not too spooky, the family's going to enjoy it. We had a chance to fish for some gators, go on a haunted train ride where we find out some cryptics, and of course tried out some awesome food. Lots of gators here at Gatorland, and hopefully we're going to have more videos. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.